Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage trading strategies with Binance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage trading strategies on Binance, first, create an account on the Binance platform. Once your account is set up, complete the identity verification process for security purposes. Next, deposit funds into your Binance account by navigating to the wallet section and selecting deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. With funds in your account, explore the various trading options available on the platform. Familiarize yourself with spot trading, futures trading, and margin trading, as each has unique benefits and risks. To develop a trading strategy, begin by defining your goals. Determine whether you are looking for short-term gains or long-term investments. Conduct thorough research on different cryptocurrencies to identify which align with your strategy. Utilize technical analysis tools provided by Binance, such as price charts and indicators. Set clear entry and exit points for each trade based on your analysis. Establish stop-loss orders to mitigate potential losses. Engage with Binance's various trading pairs to diversify your portfolio. Monitor market trends regularly to adjust your strategy as needed. Utilize Binance spot and futures options to execute trades based on your strategy preferences. Keep a trading journal to track your performance and refine your strategy over time. Review and analyze your trades periodically to understand what works and what doesn't. Stay updated with news and market developments that may impact your trading. Remember to remain disciplined and stick to your strategy to avoid emotional trading. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your trading strategies on Binance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.